Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying your tablet model and Android version so the VPN app you pick will run correctly. Next, open the Play Store and install a reputable VPN. Pick a paid plan if you need speed or streaming. Free plans limit data. Create or sign into the account, then grant the app required permissions: VPN connection, network access, and optionally location. Once done, you'll be ready to configure servers and connection options in the app's main screen. You now configure the connection. First, pick a server location, choose the nearest for speed or a specific country for content access. The Y is latency versus unblocking. Then select a protocol. WireGuard gives faster throughput. OpenVPN is broadly compatible. If privacy matters, enable the kill switch so traffic stops if the VPN drops. Next, set AutoConnect and split tunneling so only chosen apps use the VPN. Make sure DNS is secure to avoid leaks, then save settings. You finish by tapping Connect and watching for the VPN icon in the status bar. This confirms a system-level tunnel. Once connected, run an IP and DNS leak check to verify protection and open the apps or sites you need to confirm access. If the connection fails or is slow, try switching protocols, enabling or disabling split tunneling, then restart the tablet and clear the VPN app cache. If problems persist, gather logs and contact the VPN support. They can check account or routing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.